In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a straight leg raise on one of these abs benches. Now, firstly, you need to get the bench into an incline. So there's a little pin mechanism on the benches, and what I want you to do is pick an incline that's suitable for you to start off the exercise. Now, the relevance of this is the higher up the bench is, the harder the exercise is going to be. But you want to make sure that your lower back is always in contact with the bench. If you start to arch up with your lower back, you've picked an incline that's too high. Start off, if you're a beginner, with the first setting of incline and then work up progressively over time as you get comfortable with the exercise. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to sit on the end of the bench. You're going to bring the whole of your back and your head in contact with the bench. My hands are going to grip onto the sides here. You can grip onto those sides as hard as you want, and I want you to make sure that your lower back is completely on the bench. So you want to make sure you don't have an arch. If you do, really squeeze your core and try and press that lower back into the bench. Now what you're going to do, extend your legs straight. This is your start position, and you're going to come up and slowly back down. So really control the range of motion, up as high as you can, slowly back down. You'll notice my feet are apart during this. You can have your feet together if you want. And you want to make sure that your lower back is in contact with that bench the whole duration of the exercise. Now you'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions. If that becomes too hard, you can always bend the knees to a 90-degree angle to finish off your repetitions if you get to a certain amount and you can't do the rest without keeping a straight back.